Hello friends, welcome to my channel Essentials of Management. Motto of this channel is to evolve high standards of education and training of the subject management science in general and that of environment, health and safety management in particular. Friends, today we are going to look into the series Philosophy, Ponderings and Practices of Safety. In this series today we will have discourse 7. Here we will try to understand who bears the impact of the accident. So, the first impact, that is the victim. That victim is either there is a death or he or she is injured. If there is a death, that person no more suffers, but ultimately his family suffers. We will look into that. But if he is injured, the injury may be major or very critical sometimes. So, for that victim, for that injured person, there is a pain. So, there has to be a pain when somebody is injured and he has to hospitalize, then he has to go on a leave. So, there is a loss of income, and many a times, the injury is such that it creates the disability. So, you have to adapt to a wheelchair, or maybe there are lasting lifestyle changes. So, pain, loss of income, disability, lasting lifestyle changes, because you may have to change the job or you have to adopt a job which is not suitable for you because previous job you cannot do, like that. So, there are so many things which impact the injured. So is the family. Of course, there is a sorrow. If there is a death, the misery is very much. So, there is a sorrow, there is a discomfort. If the victim is the only breadwinner, then there is a loss of income and there is a stress and trauma, etc., etc. So, the other, the stakeholders, that is family, it also suffers a lot. The company suffers because they have to undergo the accident investigation, they have to analyze, find out the root cause of the accident, act on it, so create the corrective and preventive actions, do all types of documentation, then reporting of the accident to the higher authorities, statutory authorities. If it is a reportable accident, there is inquiry from the statutory authorities sometimes. Then you have to substitute that person with other person. That person may not be that skilled. You have to give overtime. Then there is a cost of medical expenses. There is a cost of the compensation and the premium that is to be paid. Or sometimes there are litigations, because if authority find that you have not done according to the legal requirements, if you are failing in complying the legal requirement, then there will be litigation. So, many things are to be suffered by the company also. Then the colleagues, sometimes they have to substitute for the victim, they have to do the overtime. Then if they don't know the job, they undergo the additional training. Then there is an uncertainty, and of course you feel bad that your co-worker is, or your colleague is undergoing a trauma. And society at large also suffers because there is an insurance cost. So from where the insurance cost goes, it goes from the pocket of the people, from the taxpayers. There are medical costs, and there is a low morale. If accidents keep on happening, then the morale of the people goes down. Same is the case in company. If continuous accidents are there, then the morale of the employees also go down. Then there is a cost of the reputation to the of the company. So company suffers because of loss of the reputation. So friends, try to understand. So there are so many stakeholders here who suffer because of a single accident, and that's why it is required that you have to do everything reasonably practicable to prevent the accidents. So friends, thank you very much for watching. Please resume viewing. For that, switch on to discourse 8, where we will look into the cost of the accident. Friends, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you very much. Have a good day.